Welcome back to Crypto Tutorial. Today's video, I would like to discuss Decentraland, how it's currently performing and what we could expect during the upcoming hours. But as well, I would like to thank you all for watching these videos. And if you did enjoy the content, do not forget to give me a big thumbs up down below. And even more important, do not forget to hit that subscribe button right away. So let's get started on what we are currently seeing on the 4-hourly time frame on Mana. So I already drawn this curve or parabolic uptrend that we were clearly seeing. We did see multiple touch points on top of this ascending support, but unfortunately right now we are clearly not getting supported by it anymore. Therefore it's not anymore an ascending support or a parabolic run up, but we have to take into consideration what we could expect right now. Are we going to see a further decline, or are we going to hold strong where we are currently trading at and see afterwards major movement towards the upside taking place? That is actually of utmost importance. So therefore I already enabled the EMA ribbon, and on the EMA ribbon what you can clearly see is that we are getting supported or retesting it right now on the 4-hourly time frame, meaning that if we do right now see a further decline below the 23.6% Fibonacci at $3.49, we could see further decline in price action. So that is for sure something that would concern me if we do see a further decline below this $3.49 range. But what is absolutely good to know is that if we do hold strong where we are currently trading at, we could expect momentum towards the upside afterwards if we do create a stronghold where we are right now. On the 1-hourly time frame, we are seeing the opposite taking place. We are already experiencing a resistance of the EMA ribbon above us, and we haven't retested this range yet. So right now what I would like to see is actually a retest taking place, and as well a movement towards the upside, breaking out above the EMA ribbon and seeing further continuation of momentum towards the upside afterwards. So that is as well a possibility right now, but we have to take into consideration that we could see a further decline due to the fact that if we retest the EMA ribbon, we could get rejected once more and see a decline in price action. So that is absolutely important right now. And on the daily time frame, lastly, what you can see is that the EMA ribbon is clearly serving as a level of support. So therefore on the daily time frame, I'm actually convinced that we are right now retesting this stronghold of support at approximately 23.6% Fibonacci and $3.49. And as I said previously, if we are going to see further increase in price action, as you can see from this fixed volume profile, we will be seeing major levels of resistance at $4.73. But currently we have to focus on what we will expect if we do not see a stronghold being found on top of the 23% Fibonacci, and if this is actually the case, or if we are going to see a stronghold getting created and further movement towards the upside afterwards getting started. So to answer this question, I would actually like to start right away by looking at the MACD on the 4-hourly time frame. What I think is quite important on the 4-hourly time frame is actually that the MACD already experienced major momentum towards the downside. This is actually giving me a lot of confidence that we could see a stronghold getting created where we are currently trading at, and that we are going to see a decline in the momentum indicator, meaning that if we do right now see a stronghold getting created and we see afterwards movement towards the upside, we will eventually as well see a crossover occur and even more momentum towards the upside getting started. So this is absolutely important right now, and what I think is quite unusual is to see an even further decline in price action due to the fact that we already experienced major momentum towards the downside so far. That is absolutely good to know if you are right now owning Decentraland, because this is going to be a major stronghold, and we can see priorly that we did already find support on top of it and resistance underneath it. Therefore I am actually very pumped about this development. If we head towards the 1-hourly time frame, what I think is good to know is that we already experienced major momentum towards the downside. Unfortunately right now we are seeing a continuation of this momentum towards the downside getting started. Therefore it's likely that we're going to retest once more the $3.49 range, but we would like to stay on top of it. Otherwise, if we do see actually a decline taking place and a breakdown below the 23.6% Fibonacci is at $3.49, I would actually like to place a fixed range volume profile to see where the most amount of volume has been traded in the immediate short term. By selecting the swing low towards swing high, you can clearly see that the most amount of volume was traded at approximately $3.26. Therefore, if we do actually see a decline taking place below the $3.49, it will be likely to see a stronghold being found on top of the $3.26. Of course, this is a level that I personally would not like to see getting reached right now, and I would prefer to see a stronghold getting found where we are currently trading at. But you have to take this into consideration if we do actually see a breakdown occur below this $3.49 range. This being said, I would like to enable right away the RSI. On the RSI, what you can see is that on the 1 hourly time frame, we are actually quite far below on the RSI, meaning that if we do right now see further decline, we will be breaking once more below the dotted line, and therefore it is highly likely that we are going to hold strong where we are currently trading at approximately $3.49. So this is giving me the confidence that we are going to find a stronghold where we are currently trading at, and that afterwards we still have plenty of space to see major movement towards the upside getting created. So that is absolutely important for sure. And on the 4 hourly time frame, what I will take a look at is that if we zoom in a bit closer, what you see right away is that we are clearly experiencing a bullish divergence. So this is absolutely telling us that we are going to hold strong where we are currently trading at. The reason why is because if we take a look at the chart, what you can see is that we are creating a higher low on the chart, but we are seeing at the same time a lower low on the RSI. This is absolutely showing us that this is a bullish divergence taking place, and therefore I'm convinced that we are going to hold strong on top of the $3.49 range, perhaps seeing a minor decline below it, but holding strong on top of this area before seeing more continuation of momentum towards the upside. So if you are right now absolutely pumped about this development on Decentraland, such as I am, do not forget that down below in the description you will be able to find a link towards Bybit, where you will be able to earn up to 4,100 USD Tether deposit bonus, and you will be supporting the channel by doing so as well. And even more importantly, you will be able to purchase many types of cryptocurrencies, and it's as well the platform that I personally prefer to use while trading. Lastly, during this video, I would like to discuss one more level of support that we are currently retesting, and this is also one of the reasons why I am actually quite bullish on the trend right now, is because if we take a look at this ascending support, what you can see right away is that this ascending support had already 2 touch points on top of it, and right now we are heading towards a third retest, meaning that if we are going to hold strong where we are currently trading at, we will be creating this ascending support range below us to see further continuation above it afterwards. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, do not forget to give me those thumbs up down below. It will be highly appreciated, and as well, have a nice day.